Welcome to my YouTube cookery channel. I am Suresh Rao from Cochin. Today I am going to show you a recipe of my own style, that is potato pakoda. It's a evening snack item and very easy to prepare. Just if the ingredients are ready, it hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes for preparation. Now let us see what all ingredients we need for the same. Main item is aloo. That is, I have taken 3 number of aloo. This is already cooked and made into pieces. 1 small bowl of onion, little basil, then little curry leaves, salt to taste, coriander leaves, asafoetida, little turmeric powder, little cumin seed, little coriander powder, little pepper powder, little chili powder, and 1 small cup of coconut scrape. First you have to mix all these things together in order to fry it. First you have to add this potato and just smash it. We have to smash it in a dough form. Along with this, next onion, next the basil, next the coriander leaves, next the asafoetida, next the required salt for taste, the curry leaves, chili powder, the coconut scrape, turmeric powder, the cumin seed powder, pepper powder, and finally the coriander powder. Now this everything together you have to mix it by adding a little water like this. You should see the mixing of water and all, just for consistency, that is, it is made into a slight dough form. See, now this is the consistency. Now we'll have to fry it like this. Yes, now you have to fry everything like this. You have to just sprinkle it. Pakoda is like that, not to make any balls and all. It will fry very fast because it's almost solid style, no? Water content is less. See how it is. Like that you have to fry everything. See, like this. Like this you have to fry everything.